Interest rates just dropped.
Now, whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, what does this mean for you in the next 12 months? Stay tuned.
Right now, what we're seeing, a lot of builders are offering crazy incentives.
For buyers out there, if you're a first-time home buyer, now is a great time to get in the market because you're getting lower interest rates, you're getting closing costs covered. So if you're not in a financial pinch, if you're not stressed financially and you're looking to upsize or downsize, the next 6 months is actually a really good time because we have so much inventory and there's so much negotiating power. If you're in a have-to-sell situation, you need to have a real estate advisor, a strategy, and the house needs to be positioned in a way that makes it stand out.
Thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Brothers YouTube channel. Here we drop weekly videos to show you and inform you about the best of Austin and Austin's real estate. So if you're living here or planning on living here, hit that subscribe button, check out our playlist. We have tons of great videos for you to check out to inform yourself about Austin and Austin's housing market.
If you are looking to relocate to that special neighborhood or you're wondering about what's my home worth, just click that link tree below to schedule a no obligation consultation call or search for some beautiful properties in the Austin area. We have a very intuitive website to help you get started. Now, the Fed just dropped the interest rates 50 basis points. This doesn't directly affect mortgage rates, but it definitely impacts rates. Rates are already starting to come down.
Right.
Now, what does this mean for you if you're a first-time home buyer or if you're a second or third-time home buyer and you want to upsize or downsize? Let's dive in.
Now, as you mentioned, the Fed's dropping rates doesn't directly affect rates, but in the big picture, their intention is to making borrowing more affordable, meaning the interest rates on the mortgage rates are going to drop as well. Right now, what we're seeing, a lot of builders are offering crazy incentives because it's more affordable for them to borrow as well. So we're seeing 3.5% locked for 30 years mortgage rates.
Yeah, Brown 3.5%, Pulte 3.75%, Perry Homes 4% or 4.5% in some select neighborhoods. Really, really very generous, like rate buydowns.
Yeah, they're also throwing closing costs in there. So in the majority of those transactions, you barely have to come any cash out of for your closing costs.
So you're going to save between $30,000 and $50,000 and
depending on the price point.
For buyers out there, if you're a first-time home buyer, now is a great time to get in the market because you're getting lower interest rates, you're getting closing costs covered, and some builders are even throwing in washing machines and refrigerators.
Yes.
Or blinds.
Blinds, yeah. They're throwing that in there because their inventory has been stacking up and they need to move that.
Yeah.
And, it's a great time if you are in a position that you can afford buying and not renting.
Now, it's always good to work with a real estate advisor, whether you're buying resale or new construction, for market value, negotiating price, negotiating terms, and also getting the right inspections and making sure the builder doesn't miss anything in the construction process. Murshad and I have over 10 years combined experience, and we've seen builders make some mistakes.
Yep.
So we're here to cover your back and make sure that everything is covered so that on closing day, you have the most beautiful home, best neighborhoods, best schools for you and your family.
Because once you close on that home, what you see is what you get. You cannot go back and ask them to fix stuff. So you want to make sure before you close, everything is lined up and perfect for you. The next category of home buyers that we're going to talk about are the people that are either relocating or this is going to be their second or third home.
So if you're not in a financial pinch, if you're not stressed financially and you're looking to upsize or downsize, the next 6 months is actually a really good time because we have so much inventory and there's so much negotiating power. As these rates continue to come down over the next 12 months, more and more of this inventory is going to get bought up.
Right.
Which means your negotiating power will go away within, 10 to 12 months. And so if you're not in a financial pinch, you may consider making that move and really enjoying more space.
Right.
Or simplifying a little bit and clearing all that excess furniture and all those bedrooms you don't need anymore. Like in a great retirement community like Regency in Santa Rita Ranch. Beautiful Toll Brothers retirement homes. $22 million amenity center.
Yeah.
Just beautiful, yeah.
That's right. Now, if you are in a financial pinch and you need to make the move for whatever reason, you need to sell your house, the reality of the fact is, even though the rates have dropped, because that hasn't, caught the market just yet, within the next 6 months, you're going to have to lower your expectations as far as what you can get for your house. You have to make your home super competitive to be able to beat these builders.
Yeah, not just clean, declutter, and paint, but really help your home stand out, with beautiful landscaping, beautiful renovations if needed.
Right.
And make sure you consult a real estate advisor before you go put a bunch of money into your home, because they're going to look at the market analysis, look at the houses around, look at what's selling, days on market, what do the homes look like that sell in 30 days or less. You want to assess all that information, but if you're in a have to sell situation, you need to have a real estate advisor, a strategy, and the house needs to be positioned in a way that makes it stand out.
Correct. So, because it gets a little bit tricky, you could have two houses that are identical within the same city. Let's say city of Cedar Park or Leander. One of them is zoned for Round Rock ISD, which is just highly desirable, and the other one is Leander ISD. Even though Leander ISD is also a really good school district, but Round Rock is just better. So there's going to be more demand for that same exact house. So for this Leander house, you got to do something extra to be able to move it.
Which means professional staging, photography, videography, professional copy, really showing how the house can stand out with the right words that will draw the buyer.
Right, the right buyer for that home. Now, the next up are the investors.
If you're an investor, you should have bought 2 weeks ago. Because
you're missing out.
Yeah, this is a great opportunity. We're at the bottom of the market right now. It's about to go the other direction. We have some great communities to invest in, like Turner's Crossing in Buda, Sunchase in Del Valley. We've got many communities up in Georgetown where Apple and many of the tech companies are moving in. Mm-hmm. So, and the lease values are also really good. And so if you want to look at where to put your cash, for the next 5 years, we can help you there as well.
Yeah, for sure. Now, let's say if you are, you're an investor who wants to renovate the house. Also, this is a really good time to get in the market, because before the market makes a shift, you want to buy that house and, hopefully catch the upward wave for selling it or for renting it.
Yeah. So you have that 3 to 6 months of time to renovate and get things together before you flip the house.
Correct. Now, let us know what your thoughts are about the interest rates and the current real estate market. It is definitely interesting, because we have the elections and the fact that actually the rental market is dropping in value. So it's a little bit of an interesting market depending on where you are exactly in your life situation.
Thank you for watching this video. Enjoyed the videos, the playlist right on the top of our channel. Or if you need some help one-on-one, click that link tree below, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thank you very much. See you in the next one.